Hello everyone, welcome to Keep Learning at the rate Be Creative. Today we are going to discuss one of the problem from NMTC Sub-Junior Final Round 2021. This is an interesting geometry problem. The problem says PQRS is a convex quadrilateral. Point O is inside the quadrilateral such that OP equals to OQ and OS equals OR. If angle POQ equals angle SOR, which is equals to 120 degree, and ABC are respectively the midpoints of PQ, QR, RS, we need to prove that ABC is an equilateral triangle. So the first thing is to draw the correct diagram. So let's begin with the drawing the correct diagram for this given information. So first is that PQRS is a convex quadrilateral. We need a point O inside the quadrilateral such that OP is equals to OQ. So we have a point O such that OP is equals to OQ and OS is equals to OR. Also, angle POQ is equals to SOR, which is equals to 120 degree. So we can mark this two angles as 120 degree. Now we have been given that ABC are the midpoints of PQ, QR and SR respectively. So we have mentioned them. Now we need to prove that this triangle, which is formed by joining these 3 points, is a equilateral triangle. So to prove this triangle equilateral, let's begin with the solution of this question. First thing is to observe that if we see that this angle POQ is 120 degree and angle SOR is 120 degree and this angle is X, so we can have angle SOQ equals to angle ROP. Why I am thinking like this? Because if this triangle ABC would have been equilateral, this make me think that the diagonals of this quadrilateral should be equal. So I am processing in that way that if I could prove that PR diagonal is equals to SQ diagonal. So for that I will construct a triangle POR and another triangle SOQ. In this I have already mentioned that angle QOS and angle POR will be equal because it will be equals to 120 degree plus X and 120 degree plus X. So let's see if we could prove these two triangles congruent. So if we observe in this two triangle, we see that OS is equals to OR, which was given. Then we have OQ is equals to OP, which was given. And angle POR is equals to angle QOS, which we have proved by 120 plus X is equals to 120 by plus X. So we can say that triangle QOS is congruent to triangle POR by side, angle, side congruency criteria. Now, you can see that these two triangles are congruent. So what results we can say that by CPCT, first thing is that we have the PR is equals to SQ, which are the diagonals of the quadrilateral, and also we have angle QSO equals to angle PRO. Now this information will be useful for us in proving the next part which is required. So first thing is that we have proved these two triangles congruent. So we can say that PR is equals to SQ in this quadrilateral. That means the diagonals of this quadrilateral are equal, and we have assumed that these two diagonals intersect at point T. Now we will be taking another midpoint D on side PS, the side which was left. So if we connect these 4 points, then by midpoint theorem we can say that ABCD is a rhombus because the diagonals of this quadrilateral are equal. Therefore by midpoint theorem we will have both the pair of opposite sides equal as well as parallel. So in this case that ABCD will become a rhombus. Now as we have proved that rhombus, let's move for the chasing of angle. Now if you remember that we had these two angles as 120 degree. These two angles were 120 degree. Also we had angle QSO equals to angle PRO. Now how is this going to help us? Try to understand. If you see that from point O and T, we have TRO angle and TSO angle equal. So we have just taken the part of these two angles which were equal. This we have proved as a result of the congruency of the triangle. So we can take just these two parts equal, because I will be using this as the same equal angle subtended by the 2 points, that is O and T. So we can say that angle TSO equals to angle TRO. So this says that TRSO is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now using this, I can say that SR will subtend equal angles on the 2 points of the circle. So from RS, one angle was 120 degree, that was at point O. So angle STR will also be 120 degree. Now how this is going to help us? Let us understand. So if this angle is 120 degree, then we can say that angle STP will be equals to 60 degree, as angle RTS and angle STP forms linear pair. So this angle comes out to be 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree, then if you remember this rhombus, in this rhombus we can say that as TU is parallel to DV and UD is parallel to VT, so this will form a small parallelogram, and by this I can say that angle UDV is 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree and ABCD is a rhombus, so we can say that angle ABC will also be 60 degree, that is the opposite angle of the rhombus, which are equal. Now since ABCD was a rhombus, we can say AB is equals to BC. Now this is going to help us in proving this triangle equilateral. We have just now proved that this angle B is 60 degree and AB is equals to CB. So by this we can say that angle BAC will be equals to ACB, as these are the angle opposite to equal side, and since this angle is 60 degree, the option which is left for angle A and angle C will be that they have to be 60 degree as well. So we can say that this triangle ABC is equilateral. So this was a very nice problem which was based on midpoint theorem, and we have also used the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. The concept of cyclic quadrilateral which we have used is that when 2 points subtend equal angles at other 2 points, then the 4 points are cyclic. So this is a very interesting and very good question which was based on the concept of midpoint theorem as well as cyclic quadrilateral. I hope you understand the problem and like the solution of this problem. For more such problems and more interesting problems based on mathematics, please subscribe the channel and like the video if you like this problem and solution. Thank you.